HVAC systems, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, are crucial for maintaining indoor comfort, but they can encounter several problems that affect their performance and efficiency. Here's a summary of potential issues. 1. Poor airflow. Clogged filters, dirty or blocked air filters restrict airflow, forcing the system to work harder and reducing efficiency. Blocked ducts, obstructions or leaks in the ductwork can lead to uneven heating or cooling. 2. Refrigerant leaks. Reduced cooling. A refrigerant leak can result in warm air blowing from the system and reduce its overall cooling efficiency. Environmental concerns. Leaking refrigerants are harmful to the environment and should be repaired immediately. 3. Thermostat problems. Inaccurate temperature control. A malfunctioning thermostat can cause the system to turn on and off at the wrong times, leading to inconsistent indoor temperatures. Wiring issues. Loose or faulty wiring can prevent proper communication between the thermostat and HVAC system. 4. Electrical issues. Blown fuses or tripped breakers. These can cause the entire system to stop working. Faulty capacitors. Capacitors provide the power needed to start the motors. If they fail, the system may not operate. 5. Drainage problems. Clogged drain lines. Blockages in the condensate drain can cause water to back up, leading to potential water damage. Overflowing drain pans. This issue can result in leaks and further water damage if not addressed. 6. Compressor failures. Overheating. A lack of refrigerant or poor airflow can cause the compressor to overheat, potentially leading to costly repairs. Failure to start. Electrical issues or faulty capacitors can prevent the compressor from starting. 7. Fan issues. Worn-out fan motor. Over time, the fan motor may wear out, reducing airflow and system efficiency. Loose or bent fan blades. This can cause noise and decrease the system's effectiveness. 8. Dirty coils. Efficiency loss. Dirty evaporator or condenser coils hinder heat transfer, reducing the system's efficiency. System overload. If the coils become too dirty, the system may overheat and shut down. 9. Inadequate maintenance. Neglect. Failing to perform regular maintenance, such as cleaning filters and checking for leaks, can lead to numerous problems and shorten the system's lifespan. 10. Aging equipment. Wear and tear. Older systems are more prone to breakdowns and inefficiencies. Outdated technology. Older HVAC systems may lack the efficiency and features of newer models, resulting in higher energy costs. 11. Short cycling. Frequent on/off cycles. This issue, caused by thermostat problems, oversized units, or low refrigerant levels, leads to inefficient operation and increased wear on the system. 12. Strange noises. Unusual sounds, rattling, banging, or hissing noises can indicate loose parts, motor issues, or refrigerant leaks, and should be addressed promptly. Please check description for books.